Leo, the inquisitive truck. Look who's coming this way. It's Leo. Hello, Leo. What have you found? It's a button with a number 3 on it. Let's take it. Leo, come back. There are more buttons. They have the numbers 5 and 6. They could be useful. And here is Leo's house. Let's go to the workshop on the 2nd floor. I wonder what we are going to build today. We need to unload everything from the body. We'll connect the 2 biggest red parts. Now set the screen on top. Like this. This is a box for coins. Let's put it in place. Oh, Leah is building a cash register. White paper for the checks and a green lid. Now here's a scanner which reads barcodes and buttons for the top panel of the cash register. The cashier pushes them. Look, numbers appear on the screen. Oh, look, some buttons are missing. We need the numbers 2 and 7. Can you go and find them, Leo? Could they be at your house? In this box? Oh, there are lots of buttons here. Let's look for the numbers 2 and 7. Here they are. Great! 2, 7. The cash register is ready. And where is Leo taking it? Have you guessed? This is Lifty. He is bringing new shelves to his shop. Lifty, Lifty. Don't be afraid. This is Leo. Hello. Leo has brought a cash register for your shop. Lifty is very happy. And this is Excavator Scoop. He has bought something in his bucket. What is it, Scoop? Coins! Now Lifty can open his shop